is Ala Abdullah. Firstly, I would like to share our experience at Chalby International Hospitals. We came here honestly for my mom's surgery. She had a total thyroidectomy surgery, and by Dr. Biwish Komar Agrawal, sorry. And after that, we had a consultation with Dr. Rajesh for my father.
Let me thank Dr. Rajesh and his staff, high caliber staff. Actually, I suffered from this knees in 2024.
ركبيه هنا عور رجوله فما كان بيقدر يمشي كويس ولا بينوم كويس ولا حتى بيجلس كويس يعني كان متألم شديد.
He had a painful knee when walking, when climbing the stairs.
So I think coming here to India is a turning point in my life because it is from suffering journey to a joyful journey.
And we did surgery for him by Dr. Rajesh.
Good morning, Dr. Rajesh Verma this side. Today we are talking about a respectful gentleman from beautiful country Sudan, where I have already visited 2-3 times. He is 69-year-old. As you are seeing, the way he is walking, the way he is sitting, and the confidence he is showing makes us proud about this surgery. Today we are talking about a robotic half knee replacement, which is a beautiful concept which has been there for last 25 years. But still, most of the surgeons are afraid of proceeding with tuxplasty. Similarly, this gentleman was advised total knee replacement surgery, and on examination, when I found that only half of the knee is damaged, then I offered him this beautiful concept of preserving the thing which are not damaged and replacing or resurfacing only which is damaged. So it's not exactly a replacement surgery, it's a preservation surgery, and once we combine it with robotic, it becomes fantastic, outcomes becomes excellent.
Walk without walker, without a stick. I think this is a conflict between imagination and wishes. We know that when imagination and wishes conflict arise, imagination win. So please don't scare. Start walk without a walker from the second day or third day. It is normal. What we did, of course, it is a half knee replacement, tuxplasty.
It's always about precision and giving respect to the normal anatomy. So we always resect less, respect more. It has to be precise, and we need not to change any of the ligament structure. Balancing of ligaments is amazing. As you are seeing, he started walking same day of surgery. He was climbing up and down the stairs within 2 days. And now after 3 weeks, no one can even recognize that he has been operated. He is walking so beautifully, gracefully. His legs used to be bent, they have become straight. So it gives a lot of strength and confidence as a surgeon to us also to pass upon this beautiful surgical indications to the next of the humanity. And this is my mission for next 1 year to take this kind of surgery to every corner of the world.
ونشكر جميع التيم في المستشفى شريستي، يعني التيم كله اللي في المستشفى نشكره شكر، والحمد لله احنا خلصنا والآن متعافيين وسليمين، ونشكر كل الدكاترة في المستشفى هنا.
I am now happy, very happy, because I am going to live a joyful life in the rest of my age. So again, thank you, Dr. Rajesh. You did a good job for me.